want no chronic smoke with me. Y'all trying to smoke with me.
They don't want no smoke with me. They don't want no smoke with me, my darling. They don't want no smoke with me. They don't want no smoke with me.
What's up, y'all? Back with another video. It's your boy. I got some new parts in today, and I wanted to show you guys what I got. I'm doing a front brake upgrade on my Audi, going with like 18Z calipers, and I got some rotors, I got some pads, and I'm gonna go over everything that I got and show you how much I paid, and maybe you guys can build your own kit yourself for the fronts. I mean, 18Zs aren't really like they're not really gonna show me a difference of braking power, in my opinion. I mean, I've drove a car with 18Zs on it until you like really like digging in, then I seen a difference. But I think aesthetically they look way better than the stock S4 brake calipers. Like, they got the stupid bracket and all that dumb shit. Like, it just doesn't look good to me, even painted. I've seen people paint the S4 calipers. It just doesn't look good. The BA calipers look a little bit better, but they just don't look good as the Porsche Brembo. So this is more of like stopping power. Plus, I'm really doing this for the looks, mostly because I'm probably not gonna be tracking. And, I do drive hard on the street, but I'm not gonna be tracking or anything like that. But it is a mod that I wanted to do, and it was just pretty much the right timing. As far as the calipers, I caught the calipers for like $350, rebuilt, like repainted, repowder coated, new pistons, everything rebuilt on it. I caught it for $350. So I mean, if you're like looking for them, you know that's a good deal. A lot of times you'll find like used pairs that like fucked up, need new paint, just terrible for $350. So I think I caught a great deal, and I had to pull the trigger. When I pulled the trigger on that, I hit up my guys over at Project B5. Please go check them out. They sent me over everything else I needed, at a great price. Put it that way. I got rotors, pads, stainless steel brake lines, braided lines actually. The mountain hardware kit, I got that. Some zip ties. I got everything I pretty much needed to complete my kit. And I think it's pretty budget friendly, compared to like you just ordering an 18Z brake kit from somebody. I think altogether I probably paid $350, probably 800 and change, which is pretty good. Usually you'll see, like, if you don't have calipers and you want to buy it from like certain companies, and I'm not saying that their pricing is bad, but of course when you piece it together you're going to save money. Like if I didn't piece it together, I'd probably do like Vosh Mods. Vosh Mods is really heavy in the brake game. I'm going to go to him to do my rear brakes, but that's going to be like $1,200, I think, so I actually got to wait. But yeah, Vosh Mods. I mean, Project B5 does the front brake calipers too. You can go to them. I think you can order theirs for like $1,100, which is not a bad price. Powder coated it any color you want, rebuild completely, with the rotors and everything you need. But I definitely want to shout them out because packaging came. I ordered it and it shipped out, and I guess they're pretty close to me. I got it like 2 days later, so that's great. So I know if my pads run low or something, or rotors fuck up, something like that, I can always go back to them. I can always reorder, and I like the quality of what they send me. So now I'm going to show you guys what I got. Alright, so these are the rotors I got from Project B5. This is their own custom rotors that they make in-house. If you know about 18Zs, you know that people usually use like the ML500 rotors, and then they bore the center out 1mm so it could fit the Audi hub. But these, my guy Alex already told me that it's already set up to be a perfect fitment, and that's really what I like about going through them, is I can order the rotors. I don't have to go and get the center bored out, or I don't have the tools for that. I don't have to go anybody to do that, and that's probably my favorite thing about it, is I like to buy parts and just put them on the car. I don't like to buy shit and then have to put work into it for it to work. I'd rather pay somebody to do it so I can get it and then just throw it on. These shits are massive, bro. Size, like these things are like insane, bro. Insane, heavy, it's crazy. So I have the rotors. The rotors, I think they sell for a pair for about $295. It's a drill slotted, so I mean they're a little more expensive. I think the regular ones are probably $50 cheaper or something like that. But I mean, this just looks better. I don't see why not get the drill slotted, but I got those, and then we have the ceramic pads. The ceramic pads, you know, if you're doing the 18Z kit, people usually use 17Z, which is like a little bit smaller 17Z pads to fit in the 18Zs, because you'll run into like little like fitment issues when you're trying to put them on like a B6 or a B7 or even a B5. So people usually use the small pads, but this is also their in-house pad. So pretty much I'm getting everything that works with, you know, everything works with each other. Like I don't have to figure anything out. So these ceramic pads, so these are good long-lasting pads. So I got that, and then I also have the braided lines, and then I have the hardware kit. I got some zip ties just in case I need those, some more bolts and stuff like that. And I pretty much have everything that I need, and all of this came to about $450. I mean, of course, I had a tiny discount, but I think overall you guys are paying like $500, which isn't bad for everything. You know, there are cheaper routes. You could, like I said, go with the ML500 rotors and then bore the center out, but I mean, to each his own, bro. Like I like to save money, but like some things I just don't want to do. I'll be honest. But the highlight of this is the caliper. 18Z caliper. It's been refinished in red, and honestly, I didn't want to do red. I wanted to do yellow. That was going to be my option. Like my color setup was going to be yellow brakes, because the wheels I got are like gray with like yellowish gold studs on them. They're definitely 3-piece wheels. I got 3-piece wheels coming, so it just don't really fit to the look that I had. But $350 for some, you know, refinished brakes, you just can't beat that. So, you know, new pistons in it and everything. So I mean, I looked at it like, I spend this money, and then when I want to change the color later, I can change the color later. It doesn't matter. But these things are massive. I can't wait to put these things on. This weekend is not really a good weekend. I'm dealing with a lot of the personal stuff this weekend, so I'm probably not going to be able to get into it. But maybe next weekend, I'll be able to throw this stuff on, and because I'm actually still waiting on the mountain hardware kit for this. I ordered a new mountain hardware kit. I want everything to be new when I put it in. I'm still waiting on that, so when that comes, hopefully I could just throw this on, let you guys check it out, and then see how I like it, man. I can get my review on, you know, on all the products and everything. But overall, right now, everything is looking great. These rotors look amazing. I'm just happy that I'm able to do this. This is a mod that I've always wanted to do for a long time. I wanted to do them probably like 6 months ago, before I, you know, gave new brakes and new rotors and pads on my Audi, but those shits are already squeaking, and I'm like, damn, am I driving that hard that they're already, like, I burnt them out 6 months? You know, I got a lot of good things coming. I got my boy's getting his RX-7 back. I'm gonna be putting that on the channel, so it's a lot of good stuff coming, and I for sure want to reach out to everybody and thank you guys for subscribing to me and supporting me, hitting me up on Instagram. I'm always down to respond to somebody with a question or any information that I can provide. I mean, I don't know everything, but I do know some things, and I'm always down to help. But that concludes this video. This is a short video. I just went in. I was excited about the parts. It's early in the morning. It's about 7 a.m. So I'm still a little bit you know, dragging. I'm not really up right now. I haven't had my coffee or whatever, but definitely just wanted to check in, show you guys all the parts I got, and see what you guys think. Hopefully you guys will be excited. Hopefully you guys want to get these calipers or rotors for yourself, and I would definitely shoot back with how the install goes. I mean, you guys are going to be there for the install, and I'm going to give you all the information so you can know before you buy it. But I'm pretty confident in Project B5. I've bought parts from them before, and I've never had an issue. So, but that concludes this video. like, subscribe, stay tuned. I got a lot more mods coming. I'm going mod crazy right now. So just lock in with your boy, drop a comment. I like when you guys interact with the videos and drop a comment. And I'll respond, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.